Life today is a stressful race with no sight of the finish line. We try to reduce stress through quick fixes, which takes a toll on our bodies. Brain fog, chronic fatigue, stress, and inflammation have become our new normal. What if the answer to this is not a new prescription, but your very own kitchen? What if your kitchen cupboards and spice racks hold the recipe for true healing? Welcome to the Dosha kitchen, where Ayurvedic and science-backed wisdom will meet modern flavor for your unique body type.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anamika. I'm here to unlock the medicinal power of ingredients that will transform your daily food into restorative, complete meals.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I'm here to show you how healthy food does not have to be tedious and boring. No fat diets, no bland food, and no compromise on taste. Just a reversal of today's lifestyle-driven challenges right here in your kitchen. You don't have to choose between a delicious plate and a healthy life. Subscribe to our channel and let's work together to nourish our bodies, restore balance, and thrive.